hello James. Can you tell me a bit about this area, please?
Well, welcome to the estuary, Daisy. This afternoon we're out on the River Ex, which is one of the most important winter bird sites in the whole of the southwest of Britain, and I think really puts Devon on the map as far as wildlife goes. At this time of year you're looking at about 25,000 different birds that rely on this site to get through the winter, because this is comparatively warm for them. They've come from places up around Siberia, Greenland, Iceland, places like that that this time of year are absolutely frozen solid, and this is their sort of summer holidays really.
So, do you have any advice for visitors?
I would say the Ex is definitely a place for winter bird watching. I'd come out at low tide on the boat, and you can cruise past avocet or godwit and brent geese and things and get really close views of them when they're out on the water. And then when the tide comes in, you can dash off to a bird hide like Bowling Green or look at the Exmouth Local Nature Reserve, and you can see all the birds roosting there while the tide's in. So it's good at any state of the tide.
James, what is your favourite thing about Devon?
Well, I think easily for me it's the wildlife. The people are nice as well, but I like to get out into the countryside and find some of the most spectacular wildlife sites in the whole country here in a county that I am very, very fond of.
Fantastic, James. Thank you so much for joining us today.
That's a pleasure. I love Devon.